Hey everyone, if you want live interactive classes, then please follow the link which I have provided in the description of this video. Welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about the introduction of Python. The introduction of Python. Okay, so uh, before proceeding into this class, let's have an overview of uh, who are the eligible for this course. Okay, and what is this Python? Okay, what we need to learn with Python to get a job. Okay, is Python is the only language to get a job, or shall we need to learn any other scripting or any other programming language also? Okay, so I will clear all the doubts in this class. I will clear all the doubts in this class. So first I'm going to open the notepad. So here, first of all, we need to know this course is designed for whom. This course is designed for whom. First, I need to write the uh, Python as introduction. Python introduction. Okay. So here, first of all, we need to know this course is designed for whom. This course is designed for some IT trainees and non-IT trainees and IT students, non-IT students, and also working professionals who are working already on Python and who are going to work. Okay, who are not working or who are coming from a non-IT background, who are coming from non-IT background. Everyone is eligible for this class. Everyone is eligible for this class. So here, I had mentioned that I said that the who are working already on Python also, they can learn Python, or they can start joining in this course. Why I have mentioned that is, why I had mentioned that who are working already on Python, they can also join in this class. Why? Because actually they are already working on Python. Then they need to join here? Here because uh, uh, this course will brush up their skills. Okay, this course is easy to brush up uh, uh, the software engineers who are working on Python. Okay, so after learning this course, um, or after learning Python course, some of them are going to work on Python, or some of them are already they can get the job, or of course they can get some experience who are working in real time. Okay, who are working in real time, but actually. in Python, we are having a lot of modules, lot of packages, and we can use Python for so many tasks. Python is not only limited for only limited type of tasks or limited type of work. Okay, we can use this Python for so many purposes. Some of them are used this Python for full stack development or web development, or some of them are used for testing. Python, some of them are used for cyber security. Okay, and so, some of them are used for any other type of tasks like front end development or back end development. Okay, depend upon their work, they will use Python. Okay, so who are already working on Python, they will not work on all kind of tasks which the Python can perform. Okay, they will not work on all kind of tasks which is performed by using Python. So they are limited to work on only some particular type of part. Okay, who are some of them are used for full stack. Okay, they are going to design the application. Okay, they are going to design the application. Suddenly some of them are team lead, or some of them are manager. They assign some other task by using Python. Okay, some of them are assign some other tasks on this Python. Okay, so if they know about remaining tasks also, which are performed by using Python, they can easily perform, or they can easily do the tasks on Python. Okay, but they are strict, they are only strict with one particular language. Okay, they are only but they are doing only one particular task by using Python, and they are going to perform that task daily. So they can't even perform any other task remaining, uh, or accept what they are doing daily. Okay, so but this course is designed for uh, uh, this course can also introduce different kinds of modules or packages. Okay, modules or packages. So this course can all not only designed for only particular type of tasks. Okay, so for Python introduction, we can want to perform or who are trying to get a job on full stack, who are going to perform on automation testing, or who are going to perform a cyber security. Okay, who whatever their preferred technology is, and they can join here, and they can learn more. Okay, they can learn more, and they can brush up their skills. Okay, and here, first of all, this course is designed for IT, IT students, or IT employees, and non-IT students or employees. See here, I had to type R. Okay, non-IT students or employees. And so here, who are coming to IT and who are going to learn Python, so they will get one doubt. First of all, they will get one doubt. What is that doubt is? So Python is a coding or scripting language. Okay, Python is a coding or scripting language, but some of them are fear about that coding or scripting. Okay, coding or scripting. Okay, so here I will try to reduce their fear, because if you are going to get a job on development side, okay, Python development or full stack development or web development or anything, then have to write the code from scratch, and you need to level up or develop your skill on Python day by day. Okay, so but here the Python is not only designed for the developers. Okay, it is also designed for the testers. Okay, and also some other type of tasks. Okay, so here, first of all, uh, what is developer? Here you need to learn, you need to know about who is developer, who is tester, who is developer. All are the things which we are going to know in our upcoming sessions. So first of all, I want to say that who is developer. Okay, developer. Developer is nothing but who will be creating the software. Who will be the creating the software or coding or developing the software, creating or developing the software. Okay, next, so and they will also get some doubt that what is the level of coding I need to learn for getting a job on Python? What is the level of coding required for this Python? Okay, so here I will break down that point. So uh, we know that Python is a scripting or coding language. Okay, Python is a scripting or coding language. Definitely it requires some coding. Okay, definitely it requires some coding, but here the thing is, the coding level is depends upon the type of your job or type of task which you are going to perform. Okay, if you are going for a development side, then you need to learn about this Python thoroughly. Okay, and you have to practice, and you have to go in an advanced level. Okay, but here for going into development side also, in the initial days you don't need to learn this Python for advanced level. Okay, so here why I said that point is, first of all, if you rely on only one particular language or one particular coding or scripting language, then you need to learn, or you have to go thoroughly, or you have to go advanced level in that Python or any some scripting language. Okay, but if you not rely on only one scripting language, then you don't need to go for advanced level in the initial days. Okay, you don't need to go for advanced level in the initial days. So here, uh, 1 minute. Give me a minute. So yeah, because when you are going to attend an interview, uh, and if you set your resume on only one particular scripting or language like Python, then the interviewer will ask you some in-depth questions. Okay, in-depth questions. Okay, but if the recruitment is not only for uh, Python. Okay. It is also for who learn Python and also some any other language. Okay. So for suppose if you learn Python plus Linux, okay, if you learn Python plus Linux, then they will ask you some basic questions on Python and some basic questions on Linux or whatever the other language it Python plus SQL. Okay, so they will ask you questions on basics of Python and basics of Linux or basics of SQL. But if you put only one particular language like only Python, if you didn't mention any other scripting or any other programming language, then they may ask you some in-depth questions because when you are going to attend an interview, some other persons are also going to attend the interview, okay, same like you. But if they mention some other skills on their resume and they can expertise in those skills, they can I and the recruiter will hire only that person. Okay. But if you also if you learn Python in an advanced level or you are expertise in Python or you have good advanced knowledge in Python, then they will hire you only. Okay, so the recruiter will think that will need the candidate who are having good or advanced level knowledge in one particular language, or who are having some basic knowledge on different kind of languages. Okay, so here my suggestion is to learn the one scripting language like Python or Java or anything. Then you have to learn about some any other additional language like Linux or SQL or any other things. Okay, then only you can get survive. And why I am saying that you need to learn some other languages, that too for basic level, not for advanced level, is in the initial days, no one can go for advanced level. First, they need to learn the basics. Then only they can perform. They can go for advanced level. And for going an advanced level, you need to have some experience, some real time experience. Then only you can get more advanced knowledge or more expertise. Okay, but initial days it is not mandatory, and it is not an easy thing to get an advanced level. So that's why I am here, I am saying that you need to learn some one scripting language with some other additional skills. Okay, so here my recommendation for other language is to first you need to learn Python plus SQL or Linux or automation testing. So here I have to mention or automation testing or manual testing or uh, API testing, or Java, or any other languages. Okay. Uh, yeah, first my session is to learn Python and then SQL. By here I had mentioned SQL is essential for all software engineers. Of course, if the person who is working from 5 years or 6 years and he doesn't use it, SQL for these 5 years, but he need to learn that SQL. He need to use that SQL from that 6th year or 7th year at after 10 years also. But no one can escape as a software engineer. No one can escape from this SQL. You need to have some basic knowledge on SQL. Okay, and SQL is an also a easy language. Okay, you can learn easily, and if you combine both two skills in one resume, then you can get there is chance to shortlist and they can hire you. Okay, if you perform well on interview, they can hire you. Okay, and here um first, oh, you have lot of languages. Okay, a Python or Java or Ruby or any other languages. Okay, but why we need to choose Python? What is the reason behind to choose Python? Is so here, just I'm going to perform. See here, um, top software scripting languages. Okay, top software scripting languages. So see here, Python. Top scripting language include Python. First one is Python only. Okay, and you are having lot of jobs on Python. That's I'm going to show. Now I'm going to open one recruitment portal. Naukri. See here how many jobs it has on Python. Okay, just give me a minute. Now I'm going to search the jobs on Python. Now it will display all the Python related jobs. Okay. So here, how many jobs it is showing? 1,86,249 jobs. Okay. 1,86,249 jobs it is showing. So here, uh, these are the different kinds of job roles on Python. That is, first one is from Infosys, Python software developer, Python software developer, Java or Python developer, data science, full stack, okay, senior software developer. These are the different kinds of job roles on Python. Okay, this is the demand for Python. Okay, now you were also having jobs on Java also, but why we are preferring Python only is, see here, easy language to learn. So easy programming. So see here, for beginners, Python. Python is a very easy language. Okay. Um, Previously we had seen about top programming languages. Okay, top programming language is also Python, and easy programming language is also Python. When compared to Java, it is an uh, easy language. Okay, and one more thing here we need to mention is Python is an easy language. Python is an top programming language, and Python is an open source. Okay, open source. What is open source? Open source means if you want to download and if you want to use Python, you can download and use Python for free. No need to buy a license, or you don't need to no need for registration. Okay, you can use Python for free. Okay, that is the main advantage of Python. So he see here open source programming languages. See here open source programming languages are publicly those who source code is publicly accessible, allowing anyone to view mod. So you can do whatever you want. You can edit the source code and you can release the new versions and you can modify the existing ones also. So here open source programming languages are first one here is Python. Okay, first one here is second one is Python. Okay, but most of the preferred language is Python only. Open source programmer first one is Python only. Okay, and next uh here when compared to other languages, Python is somewhat easy also. So and Python is an interpretable language. Interpreted language. What is this interpretation? We are going to learn about this interpretation in our upcoming sessions also. And it is a dynamical type of language. It is an interpreted language. So interpreted is nothing but there is no need for compilation. Okay, directly it can run the program. Okay, next here why we are choosing Python over other language, and and the reason for choosing Python is Python is not only used for development side, Python is also used for testing side. So here I want to specify who will write more code, either developer or tester. So who who will write more code, either developer or tester. Why I am showing this is some of them are fear about coding or scripting languages. Okay, so here worker environment developer often work in a more isolated environment, focusing intensively on writing code. So when compared to testers, developers need to write the code more. Okay, so Python is not only used for development, Python is also used for testing. So you can learn, you can learn Python easily, and you can use Python for testing. And you obviously, and you can write very less code when compared to development side. If you choose testing side, then you need to write less code only. Okay, so here I had also mentioned that automation testing, manual testing, API testing. So, why I am I had mentioned automation testing here is, so that means that you have to learn Python plus automation testing, Python plus SQL, or Python plus SQL, SQL or Linux, or is Python plus automation testing. So here, why I had mentioned automation testing here is, uh, so here which is a demand demanding software testing. See here. Please give me a minute. See here, several software roles can be considered demanding due to the complexity of their tasks and expertise they require. So most demanding include automation test engineer, okay, later security or performance tester. So first most demanding testing technology is automation testing. So that's why I had mentioned here. Where is it? Automation testing, Python plus automation testing. And here you need to know some more point also. uh, Best programming. So here, so for automation testing, Java and Python are considered as the best choices. Okay, either Java or Python, either Java or Python you can use choose for automation testing. Okay, and here they had mentioned both Java and Python. So which one is easy when compared to when we compare both Java and Python? Why I am showing everything Google or everything in real time is, if I show you, if I write in notepad, then you may confusion whether it is correct or not. Okay, so that's why I'm going to show everything in Google, so it will says always truth only, right? So uh, now we are going to know about which one is. When I showing everything in by visual, then you can easily remember. Okay, so here for beginners, Python is generally considered as easier to learn than Java. Okay, that's why most of them prefer Python. Okay, so automation testing is demand, Python is also in demand. And both automation testing part, why automation testing is also easy, because developer will write more code when compared to testers. Okay, so and Python is also easy language when compared to Java. So if you combine both Python plus automation testing, then you will there is a chance to get job more. Okay, there is a lot of jobs on these. And not only for automation testing, you can use Python for some other also. But the coding is depends upon what you will choose, what you will choose. Okay, so here, wait, give me a minute. Yeah, so you can use these Python for API testing also. For what is API testing? Application programming interface, but it is an Python introduction class only. So it is not recommended to know about everything in the first instance. Okay, so you are going to learn about all this in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Now coming to our class. Next, so and reason to choose Python is it requires less coding. It requires coding but less. It requires less coding. Okay, and next, lot of job opportunities are there on Python. I had already shown to you. lot of job opportunities. Okay. Next, as long as software is there, there will be Python. Sorry. Okay. As so till how many years the software will run, then there is also a equal chance of Python also. Okay. And some of them are get a doubt that I don't know any coding, I don't know any C++ or any Java or any other programming languages because I am not from IT background. So who don't know about coding also, we can join this class because this course doesn't require any prerequisites. Okay, if you don't know about any C or C plus plus or any basic language or basic programming also, I will teach you in a better way. After learning this course, then you are able to get a knowledge of 2 to 3 years of experienced person. Okay, 2 to 3 years of experienced person. Okay, so who don't know coding also, they can join. Okay, next, who don't know some of them are about coming from IT background, but they will fear about coding, but they can also join here. Okay, I will break that fear from you. Okay, and who don't know about IT also, who don't know about IT also, they can learn. Okay, next, so okay, you have chosen because of Python. Because of Python is easy, that's why you have chosen Python. Okay, then why the recruiters also chooses Python? Why the recruiters also choose Python? Because Python is an open source. They don't need to buy or they no need to register for using Python. Okay, if something is free, then everyone is going to try for that. Okay, and it is having lot of packages and applications. Then why they need to purchase the license, or why they need to registration for using other languages instead of using Python, because it doesn't need any registrations or uh, any license to use it. Okay, so see here, I'm going to show you. Python download. Now, if I want to download Python, I can directly download from here. I don't need to buy, or I don't need to I don't need for registration. Everyone can easily use it. Okay, that's why most of the companies will prefer Python. Then what exactly you need so that you can hire. Okay, so what exactly I need so I am hired. So what you exactly need to get hired is, first of all, uh, first I need to concentrate on my classes, teaching in the teaching in the class subject subject. Next one, confidence. Self confidence is there is a best weapon. Okay, somebody asked you some questions on a Python, then you need to be confident on yourself. If you know, you can say the answer. Otherwise, you can directly say that I don't know. But whatever you are going to say, that must be a confident, because if you somebody asks you some questions on Python, if you don't know, then don't need to cover your knowledge. Okay, I know that, I know this, don't say like that. If because no one can know everything. Okay, no one can know everything. Even the experts, or even who are having the 10 years or 20 years of experience, they even don't know complete Python. Okay, complete Python. Everyone has some basic knowledge in the initial days. Then they are going to develop their skills. Okay, and by the end of this class, by the end of this course, you are going to get that confidence, because I will teach you in a better way. Okay, wait. So here, one more thing you need to learn about communication skills. In IT, definitely you need to have some communication skills. Communication skills plays a major role in your getting a job. Okay, because let's assume if you know everything, okay, but you are unable to explain what you know, then how the recruiter, or how the other person know that you know everything, or your expertise in something. Okay, when it depends upon where you respond to others, and it depends upon the communication, proper communication. Okay, if you explain thoroughly, if you explain each topic in a better way, then only they thought that you are having good experience, and or you are having good knowledge. And if you know something, but you are unable to explain that what you know, then the other persons don't know that what you know. Okay, you have to explain. And no, especially in IT industry, you need to increase your communication skills, and you need to develop. You have to explain in a well-versed way. Okay, mm, uh, because most of them are cover their jobs by uh, by their effective communication, by their effective communication. Okay. uh yeah, that's all for this session. Before going to close this session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in this class. Okay, so first of all, we had an introduction of Python. So this course is designed for everyone who are from IT or non-IT backgrounds, or who are from IT or non-IT employees, or non-IT employees. And then we learn about what who is developer will who will be creating software or coding. uh, they are called as an developers. And what are the skills you need to learn for getting a job easily is Python plus SQL or Linux or automation. And not only these skills, you can also learn any other skills also. But more demanding skills I had mentioned here. And we are going to and we are having all the skills in our all the skills related classes in our channel. Okay. We had, API testing we are going to start. Okay, and manual testing, automation testing, Linux, SQL, these are already started, and remaining are also going to start. Okay, let's for demos watch our channel, watch our playlist also. Okay, next. um, and why we have chosen Python? Because it requires less coding, and it is having a lot of job opportunities. Okay, a lot of job opportunities. And what is the future of Python? As a software, as long as software is there, then there will be Python. Okay, because it is more demanding language, which I have shown earlier. Okay. Okay, next. Who are fear about coding, or who don't know about IT also, they can easily join in our class. Okay, and what exactly you need, so that you had, first of all, you have to concentrate on what I am going to teach in the class. And you need to have some self confidence and proper communication skills to explain whatever you know. Okay, proper communication skills. Okay, I hope this class is helpful for you. And if you like our content, smash that like button. And want to stay updated with our latest content, hit subscribe. On got any questions or doubts, drop them in the comments. We are here to help. And know someone who is struggling to kickstart their IT career, share this video and make a difference. Uh, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.